Don't call me Paris no more. My name ain't Shirley.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Sunber. They sent me this 613 blonde lace front wig. Now, this is how the wig came. Really cute. I didn't do any toning yet, but of course, we gotta do some colors. So I got some baby blue and violet gem by Adore. I'm gonna mix these two in some hot water, do a little dip dye, and after I was done with the base color, then I added a whole bunch of violet in some water and I dipped some lowlights in there. So we have some dimension, and yeah, it looks really cute. And my nails do too. Modeling today, we have my girl Paris back in the motherfucking building. Now, y'all haven't seen her in so long because the last video I got her in is when I was still at my shop. So years later, she is back on my channel. I'm gonna show you guys some of the hairstyles we did together.
Whole face was like bloody and just bruised. He like banged my head against the floor. Oh, because I tried to break up with him.
Are you?
I swear to God. And then he went to jail like after, when I finally was able to get away from him, he went to jail like I think like 4 or 5 months after that.
For something else?
For murder. Yes, I was like, thank God I got away from that psycho. Look at God. Look at God, lock him away and throw away the keys, a menace to society.
All right, so I'm using my dry cleanser to clean off the makeup, and I'm gonna follow up with the skin protector. Now we're gonna put our liquid lace glue right in front of the hairline so we can put on our stocking cap. Now, normally I would probably be a little bit further down from the hairline, just for safety reasons, but Paris actually recommended that I put it like right up on her hairline because, I mean, she wears wigs all the time and she knows what her hairline can take and what it can't take. So she likes her wigs to be in a certain spot. So it's going to be a little bit closer to the hairline than I'm used to doing, but hey, I'm always up for what the client wants anyway. All right, so the stocking cap that I'm using right now is the medium brown from galaxygirlhair.com. Now, I was going back and forth with myself whether I should use the beige or not, but sometimes, I don't know, I think I'll be thinking that my models are lighter than they actually are, and medium brown be fitting like perfectly. So once again, medium brown really covers a wide range of complexions. All right, you guys, I feel like this makeup deserves a round of applause because, honey, I didn't even show Paris the wig yet, okay? And her makeup artist did his motherfucking thing on it. Like the blues, the purples, even the sparkles. Like, it came out so freaking cute. All right, I'm going to tag the makeup artist in the comments below so y'all can check him out. He's in Atlanta. And listen, you did your thing, okay? Period. All right, so now that the lace is on and secure, I'm gonna put a little bit of serum on the back because, you know, sometimes blonde hair be acting a little funny, a little dry, you know, sometimes. So especially when it's colored. So right before I blow dried it, just put a little bit of serum on it so it can style a lot easier. Okay, these colors though, these low lights though, what? Stop playing with me. Now, this color is so poppin' that I'm tempted to do something simple like a middle part or something. I don't know why, but Paris suggested a whole nother style, and I think I added the crimson there. Basically, we just used our minds to come up with this creative ass hairstyle. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm taking my comb and separating the baby hair so we can mold the baby hair first before we do the pigtails in the back. So yes, we are doing baby hairs, and even though the hair is really light lavender and you might not be able to see them for real, we still want to make them, right? So I'm using my Got To Be glue gel to mold these, and then we're going to sit her under the dryer so they can get nice and hard and baby be hella adorable. Okay, I'm talking about like 5 days adorable. If y'all ever did y'all baby hairs with Got To Be glue, y'all already know what I'm talking about. All right, so now that I'm done with the baby hair, I'm going to take a Q-tip with some green alcohol and clean off some of that gel around her forehead and her face so it don't look shiny and hard and just out of place. So listen, this hairline is doing everything I want it to do right now. All right, so let's focus on the style. So we're putting 2 little pieces out in the front, you know, and then we're gonna do 2 pigtails. So my only issue is that this is a lace front wig and it's only a 13x4. So our part can't be that long, and I don't want the pigtails to be like thin, you know? So I have to grab some hair from the back. I can't just use the hair from the lace. So I don't know, you know, and it might look a little bit odd, you know, because I'm going to be pulling tracks from the back, but let's just see. Okay, should we keep this straight? Oh, snap. I don't even think I want to do crimps anymore.
She don't do hair no more. Everybody keep asking me that.
Type of false advertising.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I feel like a kid again because I haven't been this creative in so long. Once again, thank you so much, Sunber, for sponsoring this look. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. And if y'all seen what I was talking about when I said something might look a little weird, then you saw it. If you didn't, I'm not telling you. See y'all later.